The buy-sell magic indicator is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the AU chart. Traders can also visit this page to learn how the indicator works. We select the encoder file from the navigation section and run the encoder by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to check the Allow Delrin Press option in the comment section, and then click the Confirm option. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it starts identifying profitable trends and downward trends in the market. The buy-sell magic indicator is used to identify market trends and displays buy and sell signals on the chart. It is also very suitable for identifying pivot points and market turning areas to better understand price movement. When the blue points are displayed below the candles, it indicates a bullish trend, and when the red points are shown above the candles, it signifies a bearish trend. When the price crosses the blue or red dots, for example, here when the price crosses the red dots, it is a key buy signal. And when the price crosses the blue points, a sell signal is issued. In the settings section, in the input section, there are several options for us. In the first section, you can select the calculation period for the indicator. The higher this number, the fewer pivot points and trend changes will be identified in the market, and it will have more reliability compared to shorter periods. In the next section, you can choose the deviation settings, which are used for calculations and provide some flexibility for identifying pivot points. Both the first and second inputs can be optimized across different symbols and timeframes to provide better signals to traders. The next input is related to the stability settings. This input sets the stable to a point, and when the buy or sell signal is received and the good is sent, we can adjust the value of the stable. In the alert that is issued, both the entry point and the stability level and the position type are specified. In the next section, you can enable or disable the alert sending status. You can enable or disable the alert sending status to email. If you set this option to true, you must have made the email-related settings in the Tools section of the Options section. In the next section, you can specify the number of candles for calculations and to display bullish and bearish trends, and identify buy and sell signals on the chart, which is set to a default of 1,000 candles. Here we can easily identify bullish trends on OSHA based on pivot points and market breakouts. We can either enter a buy position using the incoming buy signals or enter a sell position using the incoming sell signals. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.